in Croft.
I'm going to have to learn Welsh, aren't I?
Mae angen cael switch na I bod ar y lefel uchaf. Datblygu bach mwy mewn I dyn.
Your left hand's a bit sore.
I can't tell how bad his hand is.
A loss at this stage would be devastating.
Chi'n mae'n coffi yn into it. Decent coffee machine, to be fair. Just handy, ti'n modd, cyn mynd treino a pethau, gael hwn. Mae'n eitha hawdd I defnyddio, ond rhan nhw just fel cymryd hanner awr I wneud bloody coffi, ti'n modd. Os dim amser fel a da fi. That's the artwork. Get that in a coffee shop. It's going up the hill.
Siwr fi'n teimlo gadael Crymych I ddechrau bywyd newydd yn Manceinion?
Wy'n ni'n gwybod bydd rhaid ni wneud ond wy'n rhaid ni mynd rhywle, ti'n modd, bydd ni ballu wneud yn Crymych. Felly, Manchester not really a bad option, dwi'n meddwl. Mae dinas yn tyfu. Mae lot yn mynd mlaen, mae boxing-wise wedyn. Mae sawl gym yn Manchester, mae Liverpool 40 minutes span. Sim stwff fel a nôl yn Cymru ble ni'n byw. I gael stwff fel a, mae'n just extra 1%, 2% chi'n gael mas o camp at y lefel ni at. Mae percentages fel a yn neud lot o gwahaniaeth. Sa'i di bod, wel, na fi. Fel arfer, ni'n bocsio wedyn yn gytrio am bach, ond ac os wedyn bocsio 2 wythnos ar ôl ni. Dwi'n meddwl, be mae di bod? 8-9 weeks ers dwi wedi bod nôl, so ni'n mynd nôl dy llun nawr, dwi'n meddwl, am wythnos. Mae game rugby. Day out yn Grymych. Pethau bach fel a, chi'n edrych mlaen a pryd chi mewn camp a mynd adre gweld pawb, ti'n modd? That mine. Kind of half full.
Ble gathoch chi wnal?
Rhyw marced yn sale maen nhw'n neud fel hen maps. Dim Crymych, ond Crymych Arms sy'n na. Just a tafarn. Ar ôl boxo fydda mynd gytre. Ti'n modd, hwnna gobeithio 10 mlynedd bant neu rhywbeth, ond dwi'n meddwl na ble ni'n hapus, ti'n modd.
Pwy o'r anaf tough, ti'n modd. Fel tro gyntaf fi rhaid fi defnyddio trad fi bach, defnyddio ring gyfan, really. Mae bron wedi bod yn blwyddyn, fe hoffi meddwl dwi wedi newid bach yn fy stil bocsio cyfforol fyd. Datblygu bach mwy mewn I dyn o bachgen, falle. Byddai bach yn nervous ar y noson, ond nerves yn good thing, dwi'n meddwl. Dangos byddai'n meddwl rhywbeth I chi, ti'n modd, chi'n moyn ennill, ond chi'n moyn edrych yn dda fyd. Felly, dwi'n rhoi bach o pwysau ar fy hunan I wneud hynny.
How was that there, Robbie?
Yeah, sharp as, strong, weight's good. Looking forward to it.
Ideal, really. Bach o shake-out, gadw symud. Sweat o mas bach. Gyda'r pwysau lawr, tymau bach.
You talking about how great I am without me knowing what you're just saying.
That's not huge. When you're being there, that wouldn't be a huge run. It's bigger than what we've got in our gym, isn't it? Yeah, just usual chat chi bod. Just gwaith yw boxer diwedd y dydd. Mae angen cael switch na I bod ar y lefel uchaf. Dim hyd yn oed switch I bod yn gas, just bod yn focused sy'n neud ei fi.
Ioan Croft. Ioan weighs in at 162.6. Bahadur Karami. Bahadur weighs in at 164.
Wayne looks forward. Wayne and Pam look forward to Monday and Thursdays when we come.
Pam does.
Pam's waiting here for us to come.
Shall offer weigh-in bore yma?
Yeah, good. Gynharach na fel arfer. Wedi mas na cyn hanner awr 10, felly cael bach o bwyd nawr.
How did you think your opponent looked?
Yeah, what I expected really. It's a bit, like you said, he'll fill out a bit. He's got a big head, do you know what I mean? He makes him look bigger, do you know what I mean? Decent shape. But yeah, no, he looks, I know he's fit and strong, so what I expected really. Oh, Wayne, get your my cake out. Which
Oh, your cake, yeah.
Treat bach if you had all ffeithio.
Good chef?
Oh, ydy, ddim yn ffôl.
This is the worst thing, isn't it? I'm going to have to learn Welsh, aren't I?
Falle bydd yn cael job yn Chippy Crymych, ond siarad â Sioned, dwi'n meddwl.
And are they disciplined?
No. Not a chance on the planet. They're like little kids. My kids have grown up now, and it's just like having kids again. You just got to be on your toes with them. Say on a Monday or a Thursday, I'll help them to the car with the meals, and they'll open the boot, and one of them will go, "That's not my bag," and it's a McDonald's bag. So no, they don't stick to it. But again, the weight's good. They train hard. When it's come up to the last week, they're really disciplined with it. They really take notice.
I'd never bluff anyone, but I think ultimately just the infrastructure they've got, I think their attitude, I think they're both with how they've approached, just even constructing a team. It's easy for many fighters, oh, you know, I need someone to do my food, I need someone to do this, but there's a purpose behind all of it. I think everyone's aware that next year, you know, the boys are going to be a real sort of force domestically and win the domestic titles and, you know, push on for both of them, so that's going to be exciting.
Dwi wedi abod nhw as ysgol, so ni'n ysgol Preseli gyda'i gilydd. Dwi wedi bod yn cefnogi'r boes o'r dechrau, ni wedi bod i Abertawe, Caerdydd, Bristol a'i gilydd. Nawr ni'n rannu Manceinion fan hyn, so dwi'n gweithio yn y diwedd efo ni all the way i Vegas gyda nhw. Dilyn nhw fi mas i Poland fel best man i brodas fe, so well i dilyn nhw tyfa bach i'r bocsio fi'n gedi, ond yeah, so mae'n folwyn i Poland, fi'n siŵr thai deud Manchester, no. Better boxers? Oh, definitely better boxers, crap speech. At least, to be fair, they kept up with the Polish vodka, so I'll give them that. Yeah. Mae rhaid ennill. Ni'n gynnad, mae rhaid ennill. Mae rhaid ennill, dwi'n mas yn yr ôl ni, so I can't have him in a bad mood. Os bydd e'n grump, sy'n poen mynd. A fi'n aros da nhw, so yeah, no good with him.
Yeah, mae hwn bach yn step up. Dwi'n meddwl bod e lan i'r tas, mae fe'n teimlo'n good, so byddwn gweld y Ioan gohed, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'r gwaith galed i wneud nawr, so nawr mae nerves yn dechrau, dwi'n meddwl.
This is Ioan's 5th tonight, I think. 5-0, 6-0, 10-0, and then that seems to be the magic line, and then a loss at this stage would be absolutely devastating, yeah.
Does it change at all when it's just one of them is more pressure, or are they quite good at backing each other?
I don't think it makes a difference if they're both wrong. Although they're best to make, they are competitive with each other, whether they box together or box separately. But then, you know, no one supports Ioan more than Garan.
Yr awr fawr wedi cyrraedd. Ioan Croft ar y ffordd i'r sgwâr am y 5th tro fel bocsiwr proffesiynol. Fel bob tro, y criw o Grymych wedi teithio draw i niferoedd tro yma i Manceinion i gefnogi a gwrthwynebydd Bahadur Karami o Iran. Y Dyfarnwr mynd trwy eiriola cyn bod y rownd cynta'r cloch yn canu. Croft yn ymosod y gynnar. Defnyddio'r dde wedyn y chwith. Cadw I belled efo'r jab. O'r chwith yn dda, yn dal Karami. Fe oedd o'n symud ymlaen.
Right up! Right up as well. Great shot!
Gweithio'n galad, taflu'r ergydio na. Yr o'n gyntaf wedi dod I ben.
Looking really well, mate. Your left hand's a bit sore, is it? So your left hand's sore, bring that right hook in a little bit more. You can go body and head with it, yeah? Oh, good shot.
Torri di dacte, Croft yn taflu'r re, defnyddio'r jab, symud yn chwim ac yn ysgafn droed.
Yeah, last minute now.
Derbyn ambell ergyd, Karami ddim yn glanio lan, yr uppercut na methu. Trio cymryd Croft I fyny, Ioan yn gwthio'r dyn I ffwrdd. Cymryd ambell ergyd yn rhoi ambell un yn o, gwaith cyflym dwylo da. Karami yn cael ei gloi fyny yn rwystredig.
How's the hand? I know it's sore, but yeah, okay. Listen, you just definitely did a little bit too much in that round. Let me see you go downstairs. When you go, yeah? Deep breath. Stand up. Good.
Llaw dde yn gweithio fel pistwn, yn dyrnu'r pen, symud o'r ffordd. Ioan derbyn ergyd i'r corff, dangos mae'r rhai fod y wyliadwrus o Karami. Dwi'n o'r cyflym, ergyd da, dal y gwrw I ran. Nawr ni, y fuddigoliaeth, pumed fuddigoliaeth yn olynol gan y gwr o Grymych.
Is it okay?
Yeah. He said like first round really blended. Really.
Anything there? No.
Not really.
I don't know, I can't tell how bad his hand is.
It's just the thing, isn't it? Pull again. Again, yeah.
It's just tendon.
Yeah, I'll manage it over the next few days and see how I get on.
Yeah, and then of course have a low threshold for going for an X-ray, I guess.
Yeah.
It's important, but you don't want to leave it too long, of course, because then it goes.
Yeah.
That's when bad things happen.
Yeah. Feels like that's the first pro fight I've actually really had. Like, getting hit. Yeah, good, really good experience man. With their back and rough, winning gwybod yn am I mewn.
Good shot!
Nes I dal gynnar yn y rhwng gyntaf a winning gwybod fyna with llaw chwith fi bach yn dost. Felly, just manager fe trwy'r ffeit wedyn, paid load y lan gymaint a fe, just bwrw fe felly bod yn gwybod ma na. Paid dangos e bod e'n neud olir, ond yeah, profiad really dda.
Good!
Meddwl oedd movement there, tried and really good, symud mas o'r ffordd yn neis. Oedd poen defnyddio pen lot, gath a couple o warnings off a ref, ond all in all, great performance.
Y ffeit, pedwar ffeit gyntaf fi, sa'n mo'n gweud bod yn hawdd, achos wedi treino galed I nhw, ond ti'n bod couple o knockouts. So, un o'r gallu hwnna hawdd wedi mynd yn y rhwng gyntaf, pryd deles I ond mae'n boi galed iawn, a chi moyn boes fel as sy'n mynd I mynd â chi'r holl ffordd, rhaid bod y switched on ers y bel olaf wedyn, felly na, hapus iawn.
Ac yn fuddigol, Ioan Croft.